Hey guys, Jay at Broader Performance here. I just thought I'd show you another nuisance. Maybe some of you have experienced this and maybe you have a better way, but sometimes the frictions in the high gear drum get pretty burnt up and I don't know, they chew into the splines and things of the forward drum and you can't get the drum separated. So what I got here, I've already pressed this out. And here's the thing, you can't press on it too hard because it just, if you have to, it just busts out the center of the forward drum, so it's not always fixable. This one pressed out very easy, so I don't know, we'll see in a second. I think it's going to be okay, but what I did is I took, these are two sun shells that I just cut in half. And then I just kind of TIG welded them together, and what it does is it supports the direct drum here, and then I put a piece in here. You don't have to, I could have put the ram down in there, but just put the piece in here so you can you press down on that center of that forward drum and get this thing separated, because these things can be really stuck together and very frustrating, and sometimes when they're really stuck together it's probably not going to be any good. But you can usually save the direct drum, but a lot of times there's damage to the splines of the forward drum and that's not going to be usable. And as these things get older and harder to get parts for and more expensive, stuff like this, I used to just throw the drums in the trash and not even mess with it. But just getting pressure plates and the pistons and, the drum, and there's a lot of pieces here you're going to lose if you don't get this apart. So even if the forward drum is no good, it's worth it just in some hard parts here. So, not really for the home do-it-yourselfer here, but just kind of showing you another aggravating aspect of the job. Give me 1 second. I'm going to bring this stuff over to the teardown table and we can look at it and see if it's any of it's going to be any good. So hang on 1 second with me. Okay, here we are. Here's my fine fixture here for the press. It works. So here's our forward drum. Pull this out. So let's see. Spines don't look bad. Very lightly scored, but that's going to be okay, thankfully. These have become hard to get. And this drum's fine, I'm sure. Let's pull this apart. Give me 1 second. I'll take all the clutches out and everything. You don't need to watch that. Now let's see how these clutches look. Alright, here we are. Drum. These splines look okay, but look at our plates here. That's the steel. That's pretty messed up. This one is actually welded to the friction's actually welded to the plate. That's not good. Sometimes guys will notice that they're stuck in high gear. This is why, when this clutch pack gets welded together, mechanically welded together, yeah, it's going to cause you problems, So anyways, a lot of times, I sell them a valve body or something and they blame the valve body, but it's like, yeah, you waited too long to switch the valve body out because you got other problems. So, but anyways, so I don't know. I thought that might be interesting to you. It's just another nuisance of building these transmissions. This is any transmission, but again, we're talking about the Ford C6 here, if you don't know. All right, guys, that's all I got on this one. Just another, I don't know, words of discouragement, I guess we'll call it, right? So anyways, but all right, Thanks for watching.